with this new camera gimbal, trying to get some footage here, trying to figure this thing out, figure out how it works. Got the iSteady V3 Ultra. Badass. Definitely like it. It's been pretty easy to figure out, get started working and stuff. Still trying to figure out all the features, exactly what everything does and how to use them all, but for the most part I got the important ones down quick right away. They give you a QR code for a tutorial video, and that helped quite a bit. But I'm also like I learn by doing more than listening, so I gotta fuck with the thing to figure it out. You can tell me 3 times, but until I actually do it, I won't retain the information. I don't know, that's just how my brain works. I forget what people tell me all the time until I physically do it. So I don't know, it's weird. Anyways, yeah, I'm trying to figure out here. I can't tell you to stop recording me, bitch. Now did I? Anyways, what y'all really want to hear about is what my channel's about. Gun stuff. And what I'm talking about today is my EDC. First things first, gun is unloaded, clear. You can see right through that bad girl. Yeah. There's nobody behind the camera, so it's okay. And I am in a safe, controlled environment inside my home. So, this started out its life as a used RXM. I got it for about 380 bucks. It was gray frame originally. Matter of fact, let me go get it. Give me 1 second. Stay there. Started off with this gray frame here. I upgraded to the full-size black frame here. Tends to be my favorite. But I also got the subcompact frame just in case, you know, I want to get smaller for the summertime. Got these 12 round Magpul mags, but what I recently just got hip to is the Metgar mags. 18 in the Glock 17 round mags, and it's flush. Fits excellent. It actually fits better than the Magpul mags, I think. And it's been flawless. This one mag, I got a 17 round one, and I got a 15 round. Let me get the 15. And the 15 round. See, I don't know how the Glock 17, they got an extra round in this one. That's 18 rounds. But for some reason, in the Glock 19, the 15 round mag, it's not 16 rounds, it's still 15 rounds. So they couldn't squeeze the extra round out of the compact mags for some reason. Not entirely sure what that's about, but I'm not bitching. They're fucking nice magazines. Sorry for my swearing there. But yeah, I took this to the range yesterday. I put about 150 rounds just through this one magazine. 0 issues whatsoever. Locked back every time. Seats perfect. Drops free. It's easy to load. The rounds slide in and out of it very nicely. This metal's very slick. It's nice. Anyways, I'll start talking about the magazines. I got my RXM. So, first thing that I put on it was this here Hollow Sun 407C red dot. It's pretty nice. I enjoy it. I've tried green, red. I've tried different reticles, the circle dots, blah, 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 blah. For regular pistol shooting, I prefer just the dot. Just the dot. All that pistol, I don't need the circle dots. They're nice, but I just like the accuracy of the smaller dot. I feel like it's more precise. I can get exactly where I'm shooting. With the circle dots, it's more of like a estimate of where I'm shooting than a precise in my eyes, unless I start focusing on the circle dot, which that's not how you're supposed to shoot a red dot anyway, so it just doesn't work that way for me. I don't know. I feel like the circle dot would be cool though on something like my Beretta. Actually, my 12 gauge. I'm gonna get the 12 gauge. I plan on putting a circle dot reticle on that and try that out. See how that goes. Anyways, so as far as the Ruger though, I got the 407C. I got the TLR7. And it is the HLX. Has to be the HLX. I don't know why you would buy a TLR7 in today's age and not get the HLX. Why is everybody buying regular TLR7s? Doesn't make sense to me. I don't get it. Yeah, so like I was saying, Hollow Sun, 407C, Streamlight, TLR7 HLX, full size RXM frame for Magpul, and Radiant Ramjet Afterburner. This thing is sweet. DPM system, recoil spring in there also. So if you add all that up, the gun, plus the sight, plus the light, plus the barrel and comp, and the holster I bought a Tolster, whatever their light bearing holster is, which I'm swapping that out anyway, because I don't really like how you can't adjust the cant. It's a great holster besides that, but it's just that straight up and down. If I could adjust the cant, say 10-15 degrees, we'd be in business, but can't do that. So I'm gonna try a sidecar also. I've never tried sidecar holsters, so I got a new setup coming. I'm also swapping the TLR7 out for a TLR1. And they just came out with the HPX, TLR1 HPX, which is nuts. It's like 1300 lumens, I think 77,000 candela, which is like, it blows the X300 out the water with those stats. So I got one of those coming soon. I'll probably buy it this weekend. And hopefully my holster for it will be here next week, so I can get that going. And I'll show you guys how this skinny man here, my little skinny self, carries a full-size gun. Stop being women and carry like a man. Peace.